Hey guys, welcome to another week of My Hair is Probably Dirty. This week, I had just gotten out of the Jeep before recording this episode. I figured it would be the perfect time to show you guys the magic that goes into touching up already curly hair. So enjoy. And it's all about my wand. No. I don't want to hear it. I've heard everything. I've heard every excuse of why people don't want to try to use a wand.
I'm just so used to my curling iron. I don't want to learn anything new.
I don't want to burn my hands.
It curls weird. I don't need a wand. I'm not into Harry Potter.
You're a wizard, Amy.
And that's why we're here today.
Because you're a wizard?
No, because I can use my wand with the best of them. Either way, you guys get to watch all the magic while I correct all this Jeep hair. And hopefully you'll be a pro by your 4th year in this school of hair wizardry.
Highly doubt it.
Oh well. Wingardium Leviosa. Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
This is my wand. It is made of ceramic. It gets 410 degrees. And it is pink.
Pink coloring not a necessity and has no effect whatsoever on the outcome of your hair.
Now for the secret potion. That's too close. Get out of my cauldron. Get out of here. And the secret potion I shall make. Give me something to protect heat. It's heat
What's that? You've heard this before? You don't think you need to be reminded? Yes, you do.
Heat protectant? Yeah, it's heat protectant.
Thank you. This needs to go on your hair before you pop out of the shower, unless you absolutely know you're not going to be using heat on it at all until the next wash.
And you'll also need hairspray.
Nope. Never use hairspray. There's no need for your curls to be matted together instead of bouncy. And there's no need for them to stick together to fight Voldemort. He's gone. They can go their own ways after you put the heat on them. So here we go. This video is mostly to touch up curly hair, and I'm going to be doing an entirely separate video on how to use this technique on wavy or straight hair to get a nice beached wavy look. So everyone listen up. And pay attention. Now grabbing pieces in pivotal places is key to having a natural look. See all this? Well, I want it back to how it looked before we decided to go everywhere with the top down on the Jeep.
Disclaimer, I'm not even allowed to drive the Jeep, not even out the driveway. I was merely a passenger.
Alright guys, if you're new to this type of iron and wand, practice cold, see? Not on. That way you don't have to leave your hair around a hot iron while you're practicing how to turn it and how to hold it. And also that'll hopefully keep you from having to wear the chain link glove that they send with the wand so that you don't burn your hand. Now for that little spell we'll be repeating all day. Wrap it around, point it down, turn, and let it go. Wrap it around, point it down, turn, and let it go.
Wrap it around, point it down, turn, let go.
Let it go.
Let go.
Let it go. Don't make me sing it.
Let go.
Yeah, I think you're gonna get different results. As always, I'm gonna go away from my face. So here we go. Big thick chunks going around it, that's just not gonna hold. And only since this video is actually specifically for touch-ups, we're not going to be sectioning. But for those beach waves in another video, we will. So if you're watching now and you don't want to wait, just know that sectioning is going to be involved. Now to reach the correct part of the back of your hair, take your smaller mirror and you're going to hold it up like this with your mirror behind you. Look into this one and tilt it a little until you see the back of your head in the mirror. But my mirror's over there, so I'm going to turn around. Okay, and just select one piece at a time and check which direction you need to be going. This is near the middle, so I guess I can go either way. Wrap it around, point it down, turn, and let it go. I should do that for you to see it. Since the back of my hair is significantly longer than the front, I make sure I have a really good grip on the hair before I start winding it, because I'm gonna have to wind it more times down this iron, and it needs to make it all the way to the end before I turn and let it go. If you hold loosely, you're not gonna have enough tension to get it all the way around and hold it there and let it go for the curl. Your curls aren't bouncing? Give me that. You didn't turn it on.
Please hang up and try again.
I told this thing to turn on and it just didn't listen.
Yeah, that doesn't work here. Not only turn your iron on, go ahead and turn the heat all the way up if you have that option. The amount of heat is affecting the effect on your hair. So keep finding pieces. Wrap it around, point it down, turn, and let it go. And since I'm right-handed, see how far back my elbow goes? I'm still gonna be pointing down, and I'm still wrapping away from my face. Turn it and let it go. Point it down, turn it, let it go. Next to your part, you can choose which way the curls go. If you like volume on one side, pick a few more from this side and turn them over here. If you like it down the middle, go ahead and take them and push them which way you want them. That's up to you. I typically don't do a straight part, whether or not I'm going to the side or to the middle. It's usually a little curvy so that it doesn't look like all the curls are just starting about a ½ inch from my head. Now, after I finish those curls, I do run my hands through the curls to break them up and make them look more natural. But after that, guess what? What was that? Don't touch your hair! Don't touch.
What?
Yeah, even you. Don't touch your hair.
It was pretty.
Yeah, don't touch your hair. So this has been your first lesson with a wand. I'm gonna add a link below to the wand that I have in case you guys want it. If you already have a wand you'd love, let me know in the captions or email me at heyphotographeramy.com. I want to hear the stuff that you guys already use and you already love.
Thank you all for watching. My hair is probably dusty. Is that not it?
No, that's not it. Thanks for watching another week of My Hair is Probably Dirty. Tune in next week to see if you know how to trick people into thinking you know how to do hair. Bye guys. Wrap it around, point it down, turn and let it go. Come here.
What is going on?
Stop. You're not welcome yet.
I don't know what happened, but I was in the other room and I just started floating. I can't.
You chose this.